Good morning. This is Lee Simpoy with the signature of Advocate Complete Lee Simpoy. 74 years old Singaporean buyer. Okay, we're having our family branch at the Block 4, the Road of Singapore, May 29, 2026. Okay, my son, Clinical Francis shares there. We're having potato and black carrots tempura with fried chicken. Okay, bihon. Okay, enjoy folks at the Block 4, the Road of Singapore. Our family branch, okay? Enjoy Singapore, okay? Mm, May 29, 2026. Enjoy this listen for vlogs, okay? I have to take the job for okay? Now he uses his Redmi phone. He said he wants to sell his Oppo. This, to have money and very difficult money. Okay, this is listen for yeah. He's using his Redmi phone. Enjoy Singapore. Itong Black for the Singapore.